Possible time travel, myths and realities. Time travel has long been a subject of fascination for scientists, science fiction writers, and the general public alike. But is time travel really possible? The answer is not as straightforward as one may think. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time dilation occurs when an object moves at high speeds or in the presence of a strong gravitational field. This means that if you were to travel on a spaceship moving at close to the speed of light, time would appear to slow down relative to someone on Earth. However, this type of time travel only allows you to travel forward in time, not backward. The idea of traveling back in time is a bit more complicated. While it is theoretically possible, there are many practical challenges that need to be overcome. One major obstacle is the violation of causality, or the notion that an effect cannot occur before its cause. If time travel were possible, it would mean that events in the past could be changed, potentially leading to paradoxes such as the grandfather paradox. Scientists have proposed several solutions to the grandfather paradox, including the idea that any changes made in the past would result in the creation of a new parallel universe. However, these theories are still largely speculative and require further investigation. Another popular concept in time travel is the notion of wormholes, which are hypothetical shortcuts through space-time. Wormholes would allow for instantaneous travel between 2 points in space-time, effectively allowing someone to travel back in time. However, the energy requirements for creating and maintaining a wormhole are currently beyond our technological capabilities. Despite these challenges, some scientists believe that time travel may one day be possible. In fact, several experiments have already been conducted to test the feasibility of time travel. One of the most famous of these experiments was conducted by physicist Serge Haroche, who successfully demonstrated quantum entanglement, a phenomenon that could be used for time travel. While the idea of time travel remains largely speculative, it continues to capture the imagination of scientists and the general public alike. Whether or not time travel is truly possible remains a mystery, but the pursuit of this elusive concept will undoubtedly continue to inspire scientific inquiry and exploration for generations to come. While the concept of time travel may seem far-fetched, it is not entirely outside the realm of possibility. While we may never know if time travel is truly achievable, its very existence as a theoretical possibility serves as a testament to the limitless potential of human curiosity and imagination. Only time will tell if we are ever able to unlock the secrets of time travel, but until then, we can continue to dream and speculate about what could be.